the two. I think it got cut down because it's a really straight cut.
Hey, I think those ones are gonna climb up too.
I hope not.
Yeah, I hope not.
They might not make it.
Yeah, they might go over, right?
Maybe.
Oh, they're going over there. So that's good, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can stand on this mini rock. Whoa! I'm not really tall, right?
Not yet.
Hey, let's wanna throw some stones? Here, take the big stone.
Where are you throwing yours?
Okay. If he does a burnout, that would help him, right?
I don't know.
Yes, it's on the right.
Here, smile.